Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about whether NorthOne provides debit cards. The short answer is yes, NorthOne does provide debit cards. Specifically, they offer a MasterCard small business debit card. When you open a business checking account with NorthOne, you get access to both a physical and a virtual debit card. The virtual card is available immediately so you can start making purchases online or with your mobile wallet without waiting for the physical card to arrive. This debit card is designed for business expenses and comes with features to help you manage your money. You can use it to track purchases, lock the card instantly if it's lost, and get automated expense reports. It also comes with cashback rewards on certain spending categories like dining and hotels. For convenience, you can use the physical card to make cash deposits at green dot locations and withdraw cash at over 55,000 all-point ATMs. In summary, NorthOne provides a MasterCard small business debit card, both physical and virtual, to help you manage your business finances, track expenses, and earn rewards. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.